I'm Brian Bismay with Cowboy Harley-Davidson of Austin, and we're going to be changing a front tire. Putting a jack under the front of the frame to lift the front wheel up. I've already got the back of the bike strapped down. Loosen the front clamp. Move the wheel around. I'm going to jack up the front of the motorcycle. A little bit. I'll be removing the front axle and the brake caliper. Loosening the axle nut right now. The axle nut. We're going to be removing the motorcycle caliper. We need to break both of our mount bolts loose. Remove the lower one first. Then the upper one. Hold on to our caliper so it doesn't fall off. Pull the upper bolt. Caliper slides right off the brake disc. Place the caliper in a bag to protect the painted and chrome finishes. Hang it over the engine guard and rest it on the bike. Removing the axle pinch bolts. This cap is loose. We want to jack the bike up so the wheel is just off the lift. And we slide out the axle, catching the wheel spacers when they come out. Left and right wheel spacers, 2 different sizes. Keep them in the right spot. And then we lift out the wheel. I'm Brian Bismay from Cowboy Harley-Davidson of Austin. That was removing the front wheel.